hope it ain't nothing, because I still got to go buy a motor, you guys. This is just to get to it, to see what I need. Can you see me? Hey, what's up, y'all? Alright, Chelle in action. I should have been a mechanic as flipping slow as I am. Get my earbuds in, I think. Oh, so much better. My connectors. I did it. I found it. It's right here, like under there, and I can't get that other screw out, so I'm not even gonna try it. I'm gonna start it real quick. Let's see if freaking jiggling it makes a difference. Sorry, Mom. My mom doesn't get service, so I'm probably pretty safe. And if you all tell her, I'm gonna know. Hey, guess what? It's working. My money don't jiggle jiggle. Yes. Sometimes you just need to jiggle things a little bit and save yourself $90. One, two, three, four. Now for the real test, I'm going to turn on the inside. What? Do you know? We'll be right back. Woohoo, folks! Chelle is in business on 2 storage. I gotta put this back together now. Y'all ready? Oh, sweet baby Jesus, help me. Hi. Just man back his tools. You guys see that? Fix my air conditioner. It's so freaking cool. So, I'm outside right now, and the military's been practicing, so I came over here to watch them, and they flew like right over me, but I could not get my freaking phone to focus. And I'm gonna try again. Hopefully they'll take off again. So it looks like they landed over there and then they'll take off again. So I'm gonna try to get this thing to focus. It is like cooling down so fast. The sun is setting. I didn't get a lot done. At least I feel better. Like just even seeing that right there. I wish it would have been in focus because I felt like I could have reached out and touched them. So I'll try one more time, see if I can get them. And if not, there they are right there. So I'll try again. I'll try one more time. It's cold though. I gotta warm up for just a second. Please, dude.